some feel that Scripture is referring to the angels who control Syria, Iraq, Turkey, and Iran. That those nations will be released to wage war, as it is also written of them in Revelations 9:13-16. Because these world countries are at different areas of Euphrates. No name given in the Bible, but in the book of Enoch it names a few of the fallen angels, Shemaiah/Semjaza/Shemihaz. The leader, Azazel, Tamiel, Ariel, Kokabeel are the names of some of the fallen ones. Different translators use different names or spellings of names. As the sixth trumpet sounds in the Apocalypse, St. John, seen in the right margin, hears a voice from the golden altar. The illuminator identified the voice as the Lord's by including the bottom of a mandorla with the Lord's feet resting on an orb. The voice tells the angel with the trumpet to release the 4 angels who had been bound in the river Euphrates. In the miniature, these 4 avenging angels rise from the river with their weapons, ready to fulfill their mission of killing a third of the people on earth.